To set custom keyboard theme on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate additional settings. That way we can also find languages and input, and from inside we can click on Manage Keyboard. Then select Gboard, and that way we'll be able to find themes. Now click on this plus button, which allows you to create your own custom theme with custom background, and for the background you can choose one photo from your gallery. So let's go for this one right here. Then you can adjust and scale the image, adjust the brightness for the background image, and enable or disable key borders. When you're done, click on Apply, and that way you'll get yourself a new custom keyboard theme. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.